In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash on delivery in Uniqlo 2026. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need from the homepage all the way to choosing cash on delivery as your payment method, with a few helpful tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the official Uniqlo website in your browser and landing on the homepage. Once you're there, head straight to the top right corner and click the cart icon. This opens your shopping cart, where you can see everything you've added so far. Inside the shopping cart, carefully review your items. Double-check sizes, colors, quantities, and any variations like length or fit. Make sure the items you want to check out are present and correct. If you see anything you no longer need, remove it here. It's easier to fix now than later. Once you're happy with your selections and totals, it's time to move forward. Click Checkout. You'll be taken to the delivery section. Here, select Ship to Address. Choosing Ship to Address is important because cash on delivery requires a courier to deliver to your location. Store pickup won't support COD. If the page prompts you for details, ensure your name, complete address, and a reachable contact number are accurate and formatted clearly. Typos and addresses are a common cause of delays. After selecting Ship to Address, click Continue to Payment. You may see a summary of your delivery details. Take a moment to verify everything again: street, district, city or province, postal code, and contact number. If anything looks off, edit it before proceeding. When you're certain it's correct, click Continue to Payment again to move to the payment page. On the payment options screen, look for Cash on Delivery and select it. If code doesn't appear, it can mean it's temporarily unavailable for your area, item type, or order amount. In most cases, though, you'll see it listed alongside other methods. Selecting Cash on Delivery tells the system you'll pay the courier when your package arrives. That's it. The key action is choosing Cash on Delivery on the payment page after you've confirmed Ship to Address and reviewed your shipping details. A couple of quick tips before you finish. Have the exact amount ready on delivery day, keep your phone nearby so the courier can reach you, and make sure someone is available at the address to receive the parcel. You've now gone from the Uniqlo homepage to your cart, through delivery, and all the way to selecting Cash on Delivery. Follow the on-screen prompts from here, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!